What's up guys, Matt from #CashHacks. Really quick video. The other day I was cutting some yards and my brake lights and trailer lights would not turn off. So I investigated the brake pedal. So what it turned out to be is this plastic piece right here holds in this button on the back of this right here. So you can see that there's a button right there and that pushes in on here, and that's what actually turns the brake lights off. The plastic broke and there's just a hole there, so I ended up putting a bolt and a screw. It was a 7/16. So if that's what you want to do, it's called a brake pedal stopper or something like that. So if you want to replace the original from your car, you can do that. If not, you can just throw a screw and a bolt in there. So don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, follow Real One. Let's go.